I went to a store called Build-A-Bear Workshop and I got the stuffy. We get to choose its skin and we get to stuff it. And I made my own.
You build this bear yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
And I got help.
The lady there did it for you?
Yes.
What did she put inside the bear?
Stuff.
What stuff?
Like stuffing.
Stuffing. Probably cotton and wool. Okay, she put it inside. And then does it make any sound?
Yes. When we press this button here, it sings a song and we get to choose the song. And I chose the song Moana.
Okay, because you like it?
Well, because I wanted it.
Okay. Can you show it?
Okay. And we get to choose dresses for our dolls. But I didn't choose any because it felt happy with me with none dresses.
No dress on. Okay. And does it have a name? Does your bear?
Yes.
What do you call it?
I call it Galaxy.
Galaxy. That's a nice name. Okay, we'll go to the video. We'll show them how it is. Okay.
Okay.
And what is your name? Can you spell it for me? You want your teddy bear to be squishy or harder in the middle? Squishy? Alrighty. You're gonna step on that pedal for me. Gotta give it a squish for me. It's too squishy, too hard, or just right. You like that? Awesome. We're gonna start patting it. Then we're gonna rub it on our cheeks so it's always smiling. We're gonna rub it on our heart so it's always loved. And then we're gonna close our eyes and make a wish. And you can give your cat a bath at our bath station. Let me know if you need anything else.
You can build your own bear whenever you want. And it'll be special if you want. I hope you enjoyed this video.